Hey guys! Welcome to another video. After the unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy S8, many people have started wondering what Samsung can do to implement major changes for the future generation of flagship. The S8 is already very evolved and has ultra-narrow bezels, so what can the Galaxy S9 deliver? This Samsung Galaxy S9 render shows a new approach, based on 3-edge infinity display. Basically, the S9 goes the Xiaomi Mi Mix way and gives up on the earpiece and upper edge of the screen, opting for the integration of the earpiece beneath the screen glass. The front camera and sensors are at the bottom front, once again like the Xiaomi machine. This time the flagship also has something called a supercapacitor battery, able to charge in just seconds. Their battery life is also huge, of 10 to 15 years. And it's a very expensive battery. Also, the Galaxy S9 will embed the fingerprint scanner under the screen. One of the best innovation behind the Galaxy S8 is of course its amazing display. What S9 Galaxy will bring to market is too early to say, but there have been few hardware developments that are just leaked over web, and looks to be present in next Samsung S9. Finally, Samsung engineers has done a great job, and it is appreciable. Imagining the next Samsung S9 is little difficult, as Samsung already brought the required tweaks. So guys, what do you think of this concept? Let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news. See you in the next one.